somebody calling me?
Yes.
Somebody calling my name?
Yes.
We wanted to see Callie. Callista Jade.
Callista Jade Pomeroy?
Yeah.
Yeah, we want to find her. You know where she is? Oh, first of all, give me a high five. Thanks. Okay, excuse me. Grandma Leslie
Yes.
and Grandpa Gary. Excuse me, I have to clear my throat. We're looking for a Callista Jade Pomeroy. You haven't seen her anywhere? Maybe the YouTube audience out there knows where she is. Should we appeal to the YouTube audience?
Yes.
Okay, say, have you seen Callista Jade Pomeroy?
Have you seen Callista Jade Pomeroy?
I did not hear them. Say it again. Have you seen Callista Jade Pomeroy?
Have you seen
Callista Jade Pomeroy.
We need Callista Jade Pomeroy to call us when she can, immediately. Okay, because we miss her, we love her a lot, right?
We're
Yes.
looking for her.
You love her?
Yes. Do
I
you love her?
I really love her, and I'm a frog. And I know Grandpa Gary and Grandpa Leslie and Auntie Taylor. Did I say something wrong?
Yes, you said Grandpa Leslie.
Grandma Leslie. So if you guys seen Callista Jade, please have her call us right away, okay? We really miss and love her.
Yes.
So right now we'd like to sing a little song, right?
What song?
What song? Sunshine on the water makes me happy. Yeah, I'm on lily pads all the time, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
I'm green.
You're green.
Well, I hope you call us, Callista Jade. Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
See you later.
Love you.
Love you.
Love
Looking
you.
for you.
Bye.